Hey guys, it's Amy and Ella with Brace Sisters, and today we are going to be making a waterfall fountain thingy. Yeah. So now, I gotta come. Hi, Tori. That's not Tori. She looks so pretty. Spin, Tori. Yeah. We're going to. We have a lot more things to review, so yeah.
The hose. Where is this hose line coming from?
See, it's going pretty good. So we just got this.
Hose,
There.
that hose comes from the top down.
And we're about to put this on. So I'll see you guys when the next thing is on. So the next thing is in there. And this is what it looks like.
Let's get that piece. Where's that little box? It's
Hi,
right
Mom.
here, right?
Hi, Mom.
That little box. It's probably going to sit in here somewhere.
Yeah, so it's...
Let's see. I don't know. Oh, you know what? No, it might sit in here because that other piece is going to connect to that.
This has to go in first.
Yeah, that's not good. Do you have every piece?
Let's see. How do you find it? Oh, in here. This is what they did. Yes, you're right.
Do you have every piece?
I do.
Alright, Mom. Okay, guys, so I'll show you guys. All the water is in it. See you in a minute. I guess it was wrong, and I'm not going to be filling it up. How much do you fill it up to? Hi, Mom.
I'm the Ray Sisters' mom.
Oh, and Tampa's home. Oh, yeah. It's so cool.
I like the blue stuff on your forehead you had all day.
Whoa! Looks cool, guys. I'll see you guys when it's all done being filled up. Hey guys, so it is all done, and whoa, look at that! I'm making. Whoa, from the bottom. Whoa, I like it, Mom. I hope you like it. I almost stepped on the cord. Yes, these do need cords, and yes, they can get wet. Look at that! That is so cool. I love it. Yeah, I will. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you love seeing me and my family make these big, giant concoction-y thingies. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Bye!